This is Daily Tech Now, where we cover breaking news in the tech industry every day. In today's news, the 2025 Mini Cooper EV has undergone a significant transformation featuring several exciting updates. Among the notable improvements are its extended electric range. Mini offers two electric variants, the Cooper E and the Cooper SE. The Cooper E boasts a range of 190 miles, while the Cooper SE offers an impressive 250 miles as calculated using the European EV test cycle. One of the most eye-catching changes of the 2025 Mini Cooper EV is the introduction of the stunning OLED touchscreen. This large round screen now floats elegantly in front of the dashboard, replacing the conventional embedded rectangle found in previous models. Beyond its aesthetics, this OLED touchscreen serves as the central hub for controlling various vehicle functions. It features engaging animations and graphics, including a charming CG dog named Spike, who represents the vehicle's fully fledged voice assistant. The Mini Cooper EV introduces the concept of mini experience modes. These modes allow drivers to customize the car's handling and responsiveness to match their preference and driving conditions. What's intriguing is that as you switch between these modes, the interior lighting, instrument cluster, and the OLED screen itself will dynamically change colors to align with the selected driving vibe, enhancing the overall driving experience. Voice control takes center stage in the 2025 Mini Cooper EV. Activated by saying "Hey Mini," this feature enables seamless interactions with the vehicle. You can use voice commands for navigation, making phone calls, managing in-car entertainment, and controlling numerous other vehicle functions. Additionally, the system can learn from your regular driving routines, adapting to your habits. In terms of performance, the Cooper E delivers 184 horsepower and accelerates from 0 to 60 in 7.3 seconds, generating 114 foot-pounds of torque. Meanwhile, the more powerful Cooper SE variant boasts 218 horsepower and accelerates to 60 in just 6.7 seconds, with a torque of 243 foot-pounds. These performance figures, combined with a choice of two battery sizes of a 40.7 kWh battery for the Cooper E and a larger 54.2 kW battery for the Cooper SE, provides versatility and power to meet various driving preferences and needs. While the overall body style of the 2025 Mini Cooper EV remains faithful to the Mini's iconic design, some external updates have been incorporated. The oval-shaped headlights now features LED surrounds with coordinated welcome and goodbye animations to offer 3 adjustable lighting signatures. At the rear of the vehicle, you'll find refreshed angular lights that can be personalized, adding a touch of customization to the vehicle's exterior design. In conclusion, the 2025 Mini Cooper EV represents a significant leap forward in terms of range, technology, and performance. This has been your Daily Tech News, and please subscribe and come back tomorrow for more.